In this video, I'm going to show you how to browse in Epic Games using the Epic Games Launcher. This is a quick and easy tutorial, and once you know where to click, you can find games, apps, and other software much faster. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Epic Games account so you can access the full store and browse all available content. Once the launcher opens, you'll be on the main page. Look toward the top of the screen and find the Browse option. This is the section you want to use when you're looking through Epic's catalog. Go ahead and click Browse. After that page loads, you'll see a full list of apps, games, and other software available in Epic Games. This is where browsing becomes really useful, because instead of typing something into search, you can explore what's currently available and discover new content. On the right-hand panel, you'll notice categories that help narrow down what you're looking for. You can select the category that best matches the type of content you want, whether that's games, software, or something else featured in the store. This makes it much easier to focus on only the content that matters to you. You can also add filters to refine your results even more. Filters can help you sort by things like genre, price, features, or other criteria depending on what Epic is showing at the time. If you're trying to find something specific, using both categories and filters together can save a lot of time. Take your time exploring the Browse page and click around until you find the content you want. If you want to go back and look at another category, you can always adjust the right side panel and update your filters again. That way, you can quickly move through different sections of the Epic Games catalog without having to start over. And that's how to browse in Epic Games. It's simple once you know where the Browse tab is, and from there you can explore the store, narrow things down with categories, and use filters to find exactly what you need. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.